Let's dive into a comparison that could save you a ton of time and money. If you're looking for an email marketing tool that helps automate your campaigns, you're probably weighing your options between MailerLite and GetResponse. Both offer solid features, but which one truly delivers the best value for your needs? Stay tuned till the end, because we'll reveal a competitor that could actually give you more for your email automation goals. First up, let's talk pricing. MailerLite is known for being super affordable. They offer a free plan for users with up to 1,000 subscribers, which is great for beginners. As your list grows, though, their paid plans remain pretty competitive, with pricing based on the number of subscribers. It's a simple, no-frills structure that appeals to those just starting out. GetResponse, on the other hand, is also budget-friendly, but it gets a bit more complex. They offer more robust features, especially in their higher-tier plans, but for those looking for the basics, MailerLite might still be the cheaper option. If you're just getting started, MailerLite could be the more affordable route. Next thing, let's talk about the features. MailerLite is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners or people who just want to get their email campaigns up and running without too much hassle. They offer drag-and-drop builders, automations, and decent segmentation options. However, some might find their automation features a little limiting compared to what GetResponse offers. Now, GetResponse offers a ton more features, more advanced automation workflows, landing page builders, webinar capabilities, and even a CRM. If you're running a larger business or need more sophisticated marketing, GetResponse gives you those extra tools to scale. But keep in mind, all these extra features come with a steeper price tag. So, while MailerLite may be a better fit for smaller operations, GetResponse is better suited for companies with bigger marketing needs or those looking to integrate more tools into their email strategy. The fourth thing to consider is the email deliverability. Both platforms perform well in terms of deliverability, but GetResponse has a slight edge, mainly because of their larger infrastructure and more advanced features. MailerLite has great deliverability for most users, but in some cases, people have reported occasional issues with emails landing in spam folders. It's nothing major, but worth mentioning if you're running important campaigns. Next up, customer support. MailerLite does offer good support, with email and live chat available, but GetResponse has 24/7 support, including phone support for premium users. If you're running a business that demands constant help, GetResponse's premium support might be a game changer for you. However, if you're on a budget and can manage without constant support, MailerLite offers decent help at a much lower price point. Lastly, let's touch on ease of use. MailerLite wins here for sure. It's user-friendly, clean, and intuitive, perfect for someone who doesn't have time to learn a complex system. GetResponse, while feature-rich, has a steeper learning curve. If you're just getting started with email marketing, MailerLite's simple design and straightforward workflows will be easier to manage. So, which one is best for email automation? It depends on what you need. If you're a beginner or running a small business with basic email needs, MailerLite is the more cost-effective choice. But if you need advanced automation, extra features, and better scalability, GetResponse will be your best bet. Now, I've tried both of these tools myself, and while they're solid, if you're serious about taking your email automation to the next level, there's one tool I recommend above all. Take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description and get the best exclusive benefits available only to my viewers. Trust me, this alternative will give you more flexibility and power for your email marketing needs.